Hey guys, how it's going on? Hope everyone is doing well. Today I will be showing you easiest way to grow begonia plant from cuttings that every new gardener can do. So I'm going to take a cuttings from here. You can check this is healthy plant and it is going to grow well after taking a cuttings. And begonia is easy to grow from cuttings, but we have to remember we have to use a well-drained soil mix to grow it. So I'll show you the whole process of growing begonia plant from cuttings in this video. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So guys, for taking a cuttings, we have to choose first a healthy branch. So I'm going to choose this one, you can see. So we have to take a cuttings with at least 3 to 4 nodes each. So just we have to count it from here. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to take a cuttings right here. So guys, you can see the cuttings here. It is healthy enough and it is going to grow well. So I took a cuttings with, just check 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes here. So next we have to remove all the extra leaves. So I'm going to remove some extra leaves from here. Use sharp knife or sharp cutter to cut it. So guys, you can see now I have removed all the extra leaves from here. So friends, next about the soil mix, we have to use well-drained soil mix to grow begonia plant cuttings or any kind of plant cuttings. So for growing begonia plant, I'm going to use coco peat. So you can get this in online store or else in the nursery store. So this is coco peat, so I'm going to use it. So next I'll be using perlite. This too you can get this in online store or else in the nursery. So if you don't have perlite and coco peat, you can use well-drained soil mix like garden soil also, but it should be well drained. So now I'm going to mix it well. So guys, you can see now the soil mix is ready for begonia plant cuttings. So choose a pot that has cut a mini drainage hole. You can see here it has cut many drainage hole on it, so that the water will not stay inside the pot, it will come out through drainage hole. So just I'll put the soil mix on it. So guys, next I'm going to use root hormone powder. It will help to establish the roots and prevent from fungus. You'll get this in online store or else in the fertilizer store. So this is optional. If you don't have root hormone, you can plant it directly, but you'll get 99% chance using root hormone powder of successful rate. Just we have to put in the cut area. So you can see I put in the cut area. So guys, now all the process is done. So just I'm going to plant it in the soil mix. So you can see how beautiful it is. So remember, for growing begonia plant, you have to use well-drained soil mix. And about the root hormone, if you don't have root hormone, you don't need to use. It will grow without root hormone also, but it might take a little bit longer time. So next I'm going to water it here. So now I'm going to water it. So for the first time, you have to keep lots of water so that the air gap will remove from the pot. And from next, you can just give 4 to 5 times a week, but do not overwater it. And after watering, place it in indirect sunlight in the bright light locations. So friends, you can see how beautiful it is. So for now, I'm going to place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light locations till it grows well. So guys, these cuttings have grown using the same process. You can see now it has grown well. So this one, I've placed this in indirect sunlight in the bright locations, and just I'll check this. I hope it is rooted. So just we have to pull this up gently, not to destroy the roots. So I have to press the pot gently for now. So guys, you can see it has got lots of roots now. You have to remove the soil mix gently. So if you're growing at home, do not remove the soil mix or clean it with water. Just for showing you the result, I'm cleaning it. So you can see the roots now. So guys, you can see the result here. So it has got lots of roots now. So if you're growing begonia plant in your home, you can use this process. You'll get 100% successful. For now, I'm going to repot this in the same pot. and I'll add some fertilizer on the top. So guys, now I'm going to add some organic manure. This is vermicompost. You can get this in online store or else in the fertilizer store. This I'm going to add not more but a little bit. So it will keep the plant healthy and faster growth. So after adding fertilizer, we have to put water. So this too, I'm going to place this in indirect sunlight in a bright light locations because begonia is an indoor plant. So I'm going to place this in indoor. So friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then, friends, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.